Hello everyone, welcome to WorkSmart Essentials, your channel for mastering Excel and essential workplace skills. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to our channel and comment below and let me know what do you want to learn next. Let's get started with this video. In this video, we are going to see the index match formula. So what is it? So now let's move to the next step, that is the index match, where we're going to see and match formula works. So index match is used to find a value from a table based on a condition. It works, maybe you can call it as like a smarter or a more flexible VLOOKUP. Match helps you find the position of the data, and index returns the value from a particular position. So first let's see how the index works. Okay, now equal to index, the array is the table range that we gonna select. Next, what position value do we want to get in return? We want to get in return whatever is available in the second position in the particular array. Okay, that's how we write the formula. Okay, and let's press enter. So here you see we get mango, and we have selected b3 to b7. So in this table, the second position shows mango. So here you have it in return. Now we will see match formula, because match formula will help you find the position of a value in the list. So see how the match function works. Equal to match, open bracket. What do we want to look up? We want to look up mango, right? Now next, where do we want to find this? I mean the lookup array. So lookup array is here in the table, comma, we want a exact match, close bracket, and let's press enter. See, you get the second position. The second position is mango, so it is catching in the same way. So now when we combine it, this will be helpful in our professional works and datas where we want to find the numbers from a very complex table. So let's see a small table and see how this works. And we're gonna see both the formulas combined. Okay, so let's start. Equal to, hold on. Now what we want to find? We want to find the salary of the employee whose ID is 103. So let's do it. Equal to index, open bracket. What is the array? Array is salary. We want salary in return. The value that we want in return is the salary. Next, comma. Now match, because we want to find this particular employee. So 103, that is the J3, and we want to find this 103 that is available in J3 in the B column that we have selected, the employee ID column, and we want a exact match. Close the bracket. The match bracket is closed. Now we will close index bracket. So 2 times the close bracket and we will press enter. Now see, we have 60,000 in return for the question that we were finding, that is find salary of employee ID. Let's see. Employee ID 103 is Rohit Mehta, department IT, location Bangalore, and his salary is 60,000. So our answer is coming correct. Now let's try it once more. Equal to index. Now array, what do we want in return? Find the department of Neha Verma. We want the department in return. So we will select department. Next, we will start with match formula. Our lookup value is here in J4, comma. The array is, this time it is employee name, because we are trying to find the department of Neha Verma. Okay, next we want a exact match. We will again close the bracket two times, one for the match and one for the index. And let's press enter to see what comes up. The answer is HR. And here in the table, you see Neha Verma is from the HR department. So I hope you are understanding how this formula works and how is this useful in our professional life. This data can also be found out using the VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. You can always refer those video in our channel. It is available. The link is also there in the description. Once more, let's try this. Index. Start. Now, what do we want? We want to find the location. Location is in the return. So here, match. We want to match the J5 with the employee ID because we are trying to find it using the employee ID and we want a exact match. Two times close bracket and press enter. Ahmedabad. Okay. 105. Employee ID 105 and the location you see here, it is in Ahmedabad. One last time we will see, and I hope you will be clear with this formula. Any confusions you can always comment and I'll personally reply it. Okay, now let's do the index formula. What do we want? We want to find the salary of Pooja Singh. So match. Lookup value is Pooja Singh. Next, we want it from the name column and we want a exact match. Two times bracket close. Enter. See 48,000. Salary of Pooja Singh is 48,000. Here. See Pooja Singh is 48,000. So I hope you are clear with the index match formula. So please like the video, comment on all your queries and whatever further videos do you want. Thank you for watching.